the San Juan Mountains in Ouray, Colorado. I am at a Dusty Lizard, which is an adventure bike campout put on by Mosko Moto. And today, we're gonna go riding. I think we're gonna start out with Cinnamon, Engineer Pass, Corkscrew. Those are all trails up here. And we'll see how far we get. The weather is beautiful. Hopefully it doesn't rain on us, but if it does, we're ready. Oh, I hear engines. Let's go. You okay? I hit neutral. You okay? For sure.
Okay, I'm like, probably.
Yeah, maybe.
He feels guilty for like clogging up the road.
Traffic jam.
Just a little, we
Man
just needed a
down.
water break.
Woman down.
Woman down. Going up this bad boy over here. Just
I
came.
was like, man, she's gonna get the first gear. Whoops.
What's this thing?
It's an old part of the mine for loading shit into trucks.
Oh, cool. Yeah, it's hot. It's a lot easier when there's no Jeeps in your way, huh?
All those things up there.
Wow, so cool. We are currently on Cinnamon, and there's an abandoned cabin. Maybe it's haunted. Alright, let's keep going. I'm ready for breakfast. There's snow, brother! There's snow! It's so cool! Alrighty, we made it to lunch and we joined another table of riders. We got riders over here. They have cheese curds. Yum! It's called Southern Vittles. It's so cute here. There's a doggy over here. And just an idyllic little town. I had a grilled cheese. The vegetarian options are a little slim, but the guys all love their food, so they're known for their chicken fried steak, which looks like this. How's your chicken fried steak?
Awesome. Yeah. So you're not even gonna get the value.
There you go, you heard it here first. Okay, so we just finished lunch, and I came back and I was gonna clean my goggles, but there are no goggles. So we rode through town without our helmets on, and I had mine on my arm. So maybe they fell off, so he went to go look. No? Or someone took them, but I can't imagine someone had taken them.
We're gonna go to the hardware store right here and see if they got safety glasses or something.
Okay. What happened to my goggles? Do you think someone took them or I dropped them? It's alright, well, time to go look for goggles. Ah! Yay! Oh, crisis averted.
So glad we came back.
Thank you. Okay. Crisis averted, we have goggles. Wow. That's crazy. Old mining town. Puppies. Oops. Oh, goodness gracious. Hi, puppies. Yes. Love you. Yes. Super cute town. Silverton, Colorado. I've been there, the Poppy Bear. Oh, sorry. Wiping the bugs off?
Yes.
Silverton! Okay, now back to camp. Yo, y'all are gonna love this. We swung by camp, grabbed Jessie, aka Lady Red Ventures, another girl biker, and we decided to go to the hot springs. Time to throw on a bikini and let's go.
Mustache from it?
No, you don't.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, okay. Missed by the sprinklers. Okay, cheers, you guys. Virgin drinks. And we made it to the hot springs. Let's go.
Don't think about it, just go.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can't think about it, just go. It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. It's not bad.
No, then we get out. We get out, right? That's how the cold plunge works. That's how the cold plunge works. How is it?
It's refreshing.
It's refreshing?
I feel like this is therapeutic.
I think I breathed through enough today. I think I've proven myself. Back to the hot tub. Alrighty, that's a wrap on riding in Colorado today. We did Cinnamon Pass, Cinnamon Engineer, Animus, Corkscrew, and the $1 Million Highway. So it was a full day of riding. If you haven't been, you have to come. And next year, the Dusty Lizard will be back in Colorado, so stay tuned. I climbed all the Rocky Hills in the Rocky Mountains, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. Smash that like and subscribe button and comment where you should ride to next. We'll catch you Cody's Roadies out in the wild. Let's shift gears and change lives.